Are you looking for a utility truck for your new business or need to replace the one you already have? Isuzu offers a wide range of trucks ranging from the light-duty N Series, heavy-duty F Series, tractors to pull your 40-foot trailers, small passenger buses, the PUV Series, and the full-size bus series. But today, we're going to look at the all-new 2024 Isuzu Traviz model that comes in many different configurations, and I'm sure you'll find just the right one for your needs. The utility van can carry up to 16 people or more if you are carrying school children and using this model as a school van. Need a delivery truck? Drop the bench seats down and now you have a cargo delivery truck. The aluminum van model affords you many delivery options from household moving business, Lazada delivery business, and many other options. You could also build racks inside the box and start a welding business, air conditioning business, and more. The drop side model also affords you unlimited personal and commercial uses. The refrigerated van is niche specific and can be used to make produce and grocery deliveries. Let's take a look at the overall cab and chassis dimensions of this Isuzu Traviz model. The wheelbase is 2,400 millimeters and the overall length is 4,600 millimeters. The overall width is 1,695 millimeters and the overall height is 1,955 millimeters. Let's take a look at the engine specifications. This Isuzu Traviz engine is the 4JA1 direct injection common rail blue power diesel engine. Its displacement is 2,499 cc and the emission rating meets the Euro 4 standards. Maximum power is 78 horsepower at 3,900 RPM. Max torque is 176.5 Newton meters at 1,800 RPM. Fuel tank capacity is 50 liters. A look at the suspension, and we see that the front suspension is a double wishbone with coil spring setup, and the rear suspension is a semi-elliptical leaf spring system. The brake assist system is a hydraulic vacuum-assisted dual circuit, while the brake control is a deceleration sensing proportioning valve. The front brakes are ventilated disc, and the rear brakes are drum, leading and trailing. The Traviz transmission is the MUA 5-speed manual transmission. The Traviz battery is the 65D26R, and the voltage and alternator system is 12 volt, 90 amp. The Traviz wheels are 14 by 5.5 JJ with 6 studs, and all tires are 195R, 14C, 8PR. PR is ply rating, and the 8PR means the tire has the strength equal to a tire with 8 plies of cord in the body of the tire. The Traviz audio system is a tuner radio with USB and 2 speakers. Air conditioning is optional for both the front and rear cabs. Let's take a look at the many Traviz features. By lifting up the driver's seat, you can quickly remove the engine access panel and check your oil level. This rubber boot between the compartments keeps rain out and allows the forward passengers to talk with passengers in the rear cab. Underneath, you can easily access the full-size spare tire. The exhaust system is heavy-duty commercial-grade steel. The rear doors are 70-30 split and provide passengers plenty of space to enter, exit, and also allow full opening when using Traviz as a cargo hauler. The rear bench seats fold down, giving you maximum cargo storage capacity. Optional rear air conditioning will keep your passengers and cargo cool. Ceiling-mounted, commercial-grade handrails assist your passengers in and out. Almazora Motors Corporation, AMC, is a truck and bus body manufacturer headquartered in Carmona, Cavite, Philippines. It was established in 1925 and is a leading bus body manufacturer in the Philippines. Matte black finished outside rear view mirrors. You'll find the inside roomy and comfortable, and the seating allows driver plus 2 passengers. Gross payload capacity is 1,655 kilograms or 3,648 pounds for the Traviz L and 1,660 kilograms or 3,659 pounds for the Traviz S. The L model is the 10-foot long bed and the S model is the 9-foot short bed. The warranty coverage for the Traviz is 36 months or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Stop by or call Isuzu Cebu South here in Minglanilla and talk with Jorge Garing or Kim Geralla about your truck needs and get all your questions answered. The staff here will certainly take care of you. Now, this is not a paid advertisement by Isuzu Cebu South, nor did I receive any money for doing this. I'm just very interested in the automotive world and felt the Isuzu truck lineup offers the hard-working public a high-quality product at a very competitive price. Great value for your money. Additionally, you see them everywhere, which reinforces the fact they last a long time. If you have found value in this video, a big thumb up is appreciated. Watch this video to see more about the Isuzu Cebu South dealership, their facility, and the isuzud-max trucks. Have a great day and happy trucking.